Which part of the plant is making starch? Where the food is producing?
So leaves, sir.
On the leaves. So that is what we have to
Sir.
understand. So leaves and as well as sunlight is necessary photosynthesis reaction, as well as leaves only will make what? Starch.
Stop.
Understand? The starch as a food by photosynthesis reaction. So these are the two things which we can conclude from the activity one. Now, if it comes to the second one, chlorophyll is required for photosynthesis reaction. How we can verify this experiment means, first all of you listen. So from today onwards, I will make it even picture based also. Understand? For better understanding. So if you'll observe here, so as we know that, if you'll observe in the nature, most of the leaves are present in which color? Let me observe anybody, any one of you tell me. If you'll observe that, most of the leaves are present in which color?
Green color.
Green in color. Yes or no? But if you'll observe some decorative plants and all, they're having a green color part is only present in the mid of the leaf, and the sides it will be like white in color, or else some leaves they're having some different kind of colors, like light what we can say brown colors like that leaves. Have you noticed it? Decorative plants?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So if you observe, most of the common plants have leaves which are totally green in color. What is that? Totally green in color. Understand? Because all parts of the such a kind of leaves contains the green pigment. So that green pigment called as, what is that green pigment?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll, not chloroform. Chlorophyll. So now, but there are some plants, understand, whose leaves are partly green in color and partly white in color. Understanding means not completely green. So some parts of the understanding, some part of the leaf are green in color, partly green, and some part of the plant plant leaves are partly white in color. So like these plants, if you observe, then how the food will produce, either it is food is producing or not, where it is producing, that is all we will see that. So now if you observe, the green part, if you take in that leaves, the green part of such a leaf contains the chlorophyll, but if it comes to the white part of that such a, is it contains chlorophyll? If you take, suppose, let me take the leaf. If you take the leaf, understand, so the green part will be containing only at somewhere, and surroundings it is not having a green part, means in the sense of where is the chlorophyll contains. This is white part and this is the green part. So means in the sense of where the chlorophyll is present.
Green.
Green chlorophyll is present at only at this green part, and the white part does not contain any kind of chlorophyll. So now you remember. So the leaves which are partly green and partly white, that plants, that leaves are called as, we have a name. Understanding? Variegated leaves. What is to call?
Variegated leaves.
Understand? Variegated leaves. That leaves which are partly green in color and which are partly white in color is only called as variegated leaves. Understand? So these plants, if we'll take for example, croton. How many of you know croton? CROTON, croton is a decorative plant. If you'll observe, I will show you the picture also. Croton. And you can go for coleus, COLEUS, coleus plants. So croton and coleus plants, if you'll take, they have a, understand, these variegated leaves which are partly green and partly white. Understand? So now with the same plant leaves, understanding, with the same plant leaves, we will do the next experiment. That is only to show that chlorophyll is necessary for the process of photosynthesis in plants. Necessary for photosynthesis in plants. So I think you have seen in our school also we have this kind of variety of plants. If you have not seen just casually, you just see the picture. So once you see the picture, we will go for experiment. I hope you all seen this variegated plants. Have you seen or not?
Yes, sir.
If you go any shops and all,
Yes, sir.
like marriage functions and all, they will keep that. They used to keep that
Some
kind
plants
of,
will have yellow also, sir.
Yeah.
Yellow color also, sir.
yeah, like this kind of plants. Have you seen it? Here you observe. So only here you
Yes,
observe,
sir.
all of you see. So green part is present only at the mid. Is it yes or no? If you take this leaf,
Yes, sir.
so this is the boundary of the green part. Means in the sense of chlorophyll is present only at this region. So wherever if you're observing white region, this outside, if you observe this outside outer region, what it is having completely white in color. Means in the sense of there the chlorophyll.
No problem.
Understand? So that is why partly green in color and partly white in color. So that is why these plants, understand, are called as variegated plants, which does not contain complete chlorophyll. So in this, with the help of these plant leaves, now we are going to prove that. What we are going to prove? What we are going to prove? Chlorophyll is necessary for
Yes. Photosynthesis.
yes. Chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
So
Yeah.
now, for that purpose, I will take a plant which is potted plant, which is potted variegated plants. Understand? So now, first before that, all of you write the definition. Right? The leaves, the leaves, the leaves, the leaves, the leaves, which are partly green, which are partly green, which are partly green and partly white, partly white, partly white, partly green and partly white are called variegated plants. variegated variegated plants. Variegated plants. Sorry, variegated leaves, correct? Sorry, variegated plants also you can call. So you can write leaves. Variegated leaves. Example, what we can say? Example of these plants. What I have told you?
Protons.
Croton and next
Coleus.
Coleus. So these are the examples of understanding variegated leaves which are partly green and partly white in color. So just now what I have shown the picture, that is croton plants. So now, so we'll go for experiment. Let's go for experiment. So now,
Yes,
all
sir.
of you keep heading.
Hosta.
Amma,
Hosta plant.
I'm not understanding, Ra. What do you want, Ra? Who is speaking? Dilipan? Okay. So you please keep heading now. Experiment number 2. What is that experiment, Ra? To prove that hosta not C, Ra.
Chlorophyll is necessary for-
Kevin, it is croton. Oh, that plant you are saying. Okay. That I don't know. You noted down. So now write the experiment number 2. Experiment to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. So now, just all of you drop your notebook, everything, pen and all. First listen, because this is important. So that is what I am saying. Once if you will understand well, then we can write the points. No problem. Because this you should store this experiment. We cannot make a notes and all. So if you'll observe here, as we know that we have to take a special kind of plants which having a some part is green in color and some part is white in color. Is it yes or no, Ra? Yes?
Sir.
Yes. Now, so we have to take first like that leaves. So experiment to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Now if we'll see, we have to take a potted plant like croton whose leaves are partly green and partly white in color. So that is the first step we have to take it. What do we have to take, Ra? We have to take a croton plants like which leaves are partly green in color and partly white in color, but must be it is what? A potted plant. Understand? It must be Potted plants, because we have to carry an experiment in our inside the house or terrace or somewhere. That is the reason. Understand? Now, if you'll observe this plant, understand? So the green part of this leaf, if you take any kind of leaf, suppose for example, let me take. So any kind of leaf of this plant, if you take, understand? So middle it contains the green part. The green part of that leaf, it contains what? Chlorophyll. Understand?
Chlorophyll.
Green part which contains chlorophyll, but the white part of the leaf does not have any kind of chlorophyll. So that is the first thing. Now, second step, after this, place this plant in completely dark place. Where we should place? Where we should place?
Completely dark place.
Completely dark place.
Now, let me see who will say. What is the use of placing in dark place? Dark place. What is the use of placing in dark?
No photosynthesis will occur.
No
photosynthesis will occur.
So how many days we should keep? How many days? Last experiment, how many days we have?
3 days, sir. 3 to 3 days.
3 days.
Yes,
3 days. Remember 3 days. Understand? 3 days. So that what will happen? I have used one word called as, let me see who will say that word.
Destarched, sir. The plant is
Destarched.
destarched.
So if you keep that plant inside, understanding, a dark room, a completely dark room, then the starch which is present in the leaves will be completely utilized by the plant because no photosynthesis reaction is carried out. So after 3 days, what will happen? What will happen? Destarch its leaves. Yes or no? Destarch its leaves. Is it yes or no? All of you.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, after that, once the no storage food inside the leaf, plant leaf, then take out that potted plant from the dark place and keep it in bright sunshine. Keep it in bright sunshine for 3 to 4 days. How many days we should keep again? We have to take it into
3 to 4 days.
sunshine.
3 to 4 days.
Like GHT, bright sunshine. If you keep it again in sunshine, what will happen, Ra? Sunshine for
Again,
4
photosynthesis
days.
will happen.
Again, what will happen? Photosynthesis reaction will take
Photosynthesis
place.
takes place.
Understand? Photosynthesis reaction will take place. So now let us see. Again, what will happen? The glucose will produce as well as the extra food stored as a starch is stored in the plant. Now, all of you listen. So here next what, sir? What will happen means, next, we have to pluck that variated leaf. Some leaf you have to select it and you have to pluck that leaf from the plant and you have to boil it in water for a few minutes. Why we need to boil it?
It will remove
Why
the
we need to boil? Yesterday I have told you. Why we need to boil? To break the bonds. Have you remembered? Cell wall.
Cell membrane. To break the cell membrane.
Yeah.
to break the cell membrane, sir.
Yes, to break the cell membrane. Understanding? Because if you use some kind of solution to test that either the chlorophyll is required or as the sunlight is required. Sunlight is to test the sunlight. We have used what? Iodine solution. Is it yes or no?
Iodine.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So that iodine should need to go near the starch. So to test that, we have to break that bonds because if not, iodine cannot reach us to till the starch which is present inside the leaf. So that only to break that cell membranes, understand, we have to heat it in water for a few minutes. Heat in water, understanding, for few minutes. For few minutes. So for that, what will happen? So the bonds will break. The cell membrane, cell wall bonds will be break so that the solution can easily, understanding, what we can say, diffused into the leaf and it can easily
Enter.
difference easily. Understand? So now after that, we have to remove the chlorophyll, green part. How we can remove the green color? Last class also you remember.
Using alcohol, sir.
In water.
Alcohol.
We have to boil in water.
Alcohol, sir.
We have to boiling inside the alcohol. So if we inside the alcohol, if we boil, what will happen? Chlorophyll will be removed. Understand?
The chlorophyll will get
Remove.
removed, sir.
Chlorophyll.
Alcohol will get green in color.
Chlorophyll will remove. So that means in the sense of what will happen? Complete leaf will be turned into what?
Alcohol will get green in color.
Complete leaf will
white
be
color.
turned into what?
White color, sir.
White in
White
color.
color.
Colorless.
Decolorized.
Colorless.
Understand? So the complete leaf will be decolorized. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it yes or no? And because
Yes,
of the green pigment, the alcohol is turned into which color? Decolorized leaf.
Green color.
Decolorized.
Green color.
And alcohol turns into green,
Alcohol will turn into green color, sir.
green color because chlorophyll is understanding removed from the leaf and it is mixed with the alcohol. But alcohol also, we should not heat the leaf directly by keeping in alcohol. Why? Last class I have taught you the reason behind.
Because alcohol has
Catches
low boiling
fires.
temperature, so that it will get easily burnt.
Low boiling point. Understanding
Low
low
boiling
BP and as well as it is
So it will get easily burnt.
It catches fire easily.
It catches fire, sir. Flammable.
yeah, highly inflammable substance. So that only
Highly inflammable.
uh, understanding water bath, understanding or else water container where we can eat water. Understand water bath we can call. So we have to heat it in water bath. Understand? So water tub you have to pour the water and there we have to heat it. That is and all you should know because indirectly we should heat the alcohol. If you heat directly, it will catch the fire. So in water tub we have to pour the water and we have to heat the water. So that heat energy it will transfer to alcohol. Later slowly it will be removed. Alcohol, this chlorophyll will be removed so that the leaf get decolorized. So we get the now finally what we have got second step decolorized leaf. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We have now decolorized leaf. Now after this, you may notice it. After that, what we have to do? Anybody, any guess? After that, we have to do something. Decolorized leaf. Last experiment you remember. After removing the chlorophyll, we have to wash with hot water to soften it. Have you remembered? We have to wash with
Yes.
Wash with hot water slowly. Why we need to wash? Wash with hot water and need to make it soften. Anybody, why we need to do this? Last experiment also I have told you correct, right? Because still some chlorophyll, understanding, still some chlorophyll which may be sticking
Will
on
be
it.
present in that.
Yeah.
To
Some
remove that, we are using
sticking on this
washing
leaf.
it with hot water.
Understand? After removing also maybe sticking on it. That is the reason we should slowly need to wash with hot water and need to make it softer to remove that sticked.
Sir,
Understanding?
your audio is breaking.
Sticky
Sir.
chlorophyll. What am I? What?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay.
Sir, your audio is
Problem.
breaking.
Now can you able to hear? Now is there any problem? Hello?
Sir?
Hello? Can you able to hear now? Yes. Can you able to hear? Hello? Can you able to hear me? Please respond, 1 or 2. Is it okay now?
Sir, we can't hear you. Sir.
Hello, hello.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Now also, please tell me. I will wait. I will adjust. I am adjusting the network issues. The Geo is few times behaving very badly. Now also, is it problem? Can you able to hear me now, please? Hello, Yalini?
Yes, sir.
Sir, breaking, sir.
Is it now? Now,
Voice
now.
is breaking.
Because signal problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now. So what?
Sir,
we have to do?
sir.
So once the decolorized leaf, once you will get the decolorized leaf, immediately after that, we have to wash with the hot water. We have to wash with the hot water. Why we need to wash with the hot water? We have to slowly we have to wash it. And we have
To remove the chlorophyll with
still some chlorophyll may understanding stick it to the leaf after
Chlorophyll.
so that to remove that understanding the chlorophyll which is sticking to it we have to wash with the hot water. So now after removing the everything, after washing with the hot water, then I have a understanding. Now a leaf which is completely decolorized. Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
what is the step? We have to prove that now chlorophyll is required for the photosynthesis reaction. So as we know that if chlorophyll present, then only the food will be produced by the plant. So now I have removed the chlorophyll and everything. Because why we need to remove the chlorophyll? They will ask you the question. What you will do? Why we have to test the chlorophyll is required? Then why we are removing the chlorophyll? Because if we add the iodine solution, chlorophyll also may react. That is the reason we cannot observe the perfect change, understanding, to test that starch is produced or not. So that only we have to remove the chlorophyll. Now,
Chlorophyll.
inside who is there? Some starch is produced. Is it yes or no? Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have kept for 3 or 4 days in sunlight, correct? So definitely some starch is produced. So now we have removed everything.
Yes, sir.
Chlorophyll and all we have removed. Now, what we have to do? We have to keep that leaf and we have to add the iodine solution. Understanding? Pour the iodine solution over the colorless leaf and observe the change in color of the leaf. So now, can anybody say at which part of the leaf we can observe the change? Please.
At the where the chlorophyll was present, sir.
Where the
In that only
chlorophyll was
starch.
present. If I add, understanding, if I add the iodine solution with the help of understanding that what we can say that iodine solution with the help of what? With the help of dropper, then we can see
Dropper.
color of the leaf, the color of the leaf at the part where the chlorophyll is present before is slowly turns into which color? Slowly turns into which color?
Reddish
Blue
brown.
black color. What is that color?
Blue
Blue
black.
black.
Blue black.
Adding the iodine solution. Why? What is the reason? Because starch, when it is reacting with iodine, it will turns into blue black. So it is indicating that. So wherever the understanding, the chlorophyll is present, there the photosynthesis reaction takes place and they have been produced the starch. If there is no starch, understanding, no starch is present in the outer part of the leaf, so that we will never observe any change in, does not change, understanding, any color change in color at the outer surface of the plant leaf. So now let us see with the help of diagram. I will show you once how the diagram will be, then you can understand better. So if it comes to here, as we know that we have taken a plant called as, what is that plant, Ra? What is that plant name?
Protons.
Croton plant. So if you'll observe here, all of you, what we have done first? What we have done first? We have taken that plant and we have kept immediately where? Where we have
Dark room, sir. Complete dark
kept?
room.
Dark room.
Complete dark room.
In this picture, if you'll observe,
Dark room.
this is the leaf of the croton plant. I have kept in dark room and I have removed all the understanding, de-starched the plant, and later I have kept 3 or 4 days in the understanding direct sunlight, so that what will happen? Photosynthesis reaction will take place. After that, I have to remove that leaf from the plant, so that if you'll observe this plant, this is the leaf, one of the leaf of that plant. So now here middle, this light green in color, this is indicating what? Who is present here? Who is present here?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. And outer region, who is there? Outer region, who is there? Chlorophyll is not present. That is why it is no chlorophyll is present, so that it is white part, and middle it is
Variegated.
that is why it is green in color. So now partly green and partly white leaf. This is the partly green and partly white leaf. Now if you'll observe, after the photosynthesis reaction, we have to make it decolorize. How we need to make decolorize, Ra? How we can make decolorize? By boiling with what? Boiling with what?
Boiling in alcohol.
Boiling in alcohol.
Alcohol, sir.
We can
Alcohol.
decolorize. Understanding? So after decolorization, what will happen? After decolorization, we have to wash with the hot water to remove the chlorophyll which is sticking to it still. So then after that, understanding, if we'll add the iodine solution, you can see iodine solution with the help of dropper, then what will happen, Ra? The part where the chlorophyll is present, at the middle means this part.
It will turn to blue black.
Part that is only will turns into blue black color. You can
Blue
see
black color.
color change in color, blue black color. But outer surface is not changing. Why it is outer surface is not changing? Because
Because there is no
no
photosynthesis
photosynthesis
takes
reaction
place, sir.
take place. Because
No
no starch.
starch also.
Understanding?
No starch
starch
will be
is
present there.
because no chlorophyll is present there. So iodine solution is being poured on this decolorized leaf so that the chlorophyll content where the starch is produced by the photosynthesis reaction will turns into blue black color. Remaining will be no change in color. So that is why from this experiment we can conclude that chlorophyll is required required or not. Chlorophyll is
Yes, sir.
required or not.
Yes, sir.
I have a doubt.
Chlorophyll is required for
Necessary for what?
photosynthesis reaction.
Reaction. So this is the second
I have a doubt.
experiment. Yeah, second experiment which we have done. Understanding for to verify that photosynthesis reaction will be carried out only with the help of chlorophyll. Without chlorophyll, what will happen? Without chlorophyll, no
No photosynthesis reaction takes place.
Shall we go for next experiment? Next experiment what?
Yes,
What is
sir.
the third necessary? Second one, first one is sunlight. Second one is chlorophyll. And what is the third one?
Carbon dioxide and water.
What happened, Kevin?
Sir, I
Carbon
have a doubt.
dioxide and water.
Ask me, Ashika. What happened, Kevin?
Sir, we have already destarched the leaf, no, sir. But in the final step, it is like the starch is present, no, sir.
Hello, Ashika. We are removing the starch by keeping in dark room. Next, after that, we have to take it into sunlight. We are keeping 3 or 4 days. Have you remembered?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Huh?
yes sir. Sorry.
Again, if we'll keep it in sunlight, means in the sense of what will happen? Again, photosynthesis reaction will take place or not?
Yes, sir.
Means in the sense of starch will form or not?
Yes, sir.
So then why we are keeping inside the dark room means we should know that either the photosynthesis reaction is taking place or not. Because when we will keep it in a room, if it is a destarched, then the leaves will become very dull. Understanding? Then if we'll bring it into the sunlight, then they will become very bright and they are start doing the photosynthesis reaction. It will be very shining in nature. Understand that?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason why we are first destarched, later we are keeping again in sunlight for the photosynthesis reaction. Again to produce this starch. Okay, Ashika.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Kevin, tell me, Kevin, what do you want?
No, sir, nothing.
Okay. So now what is the third one? What is the third necessary condition for photosynthesis reaction?
Carbon dioxide, sir. Carbon dioxide, CO2.
Carbon
Dioxide.
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 Yeah.
Correct. So now, any idea how we can remove the carbon dioxide? Any idea? Anybody can please give me the idea. With that, we'll go.
Covering with carry bag.
Covering with?
Something, sir.
Covering with something means what, Arya?
Not allowing air to.
Anybody, you tell me. Pranav, Varshine, Humaira, anybody?
So we cover in a carry bag around the
Dina
leaf.
is present. Who is absent, Ray? Somebody is absent. You check it once and make a call for them. I think what 2 absent is. Okay. So let us see now. We will verify the experiment to show that carbon dioxide is necessary. What is necessary? Carbon
If
dioxide.
we cover the leaf with carry bag, means it will absorb all
Understand.
the carbon
For
dioxide
photosynthesis
present
reaction.
inside that,
Oh,
and it will release
Remember,
oxygen.
to verify sunlight and to verify chlorophyll, we are using iodine solution. What is the solution we are using?
Iodine solution.
Iodine solution. If it comes to here, remember photosynthesis reaction, carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis reaction. We will use some other chemical. That is, I will say you. Listen first. For to verify that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis reaction, first we have to take a potted plant having a long and narrow leaves. Having a long and narrow leaves. Understanding? Some plants you may observe, they are having a very long and narrow leaves. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please, all of you, take like these leaves. In our home we have. Understanding? So we can observe in our nature, like this leaves, so many leaves will be present, like this very long in nature. So now, with the help of this only, we are going to prove that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis reaction. Shall we start now?
Yeah.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Observe very
Yes, sir.
carefully.
Yes, sir.
Nothing, Ray. These all the things we have to remember that. That's all. So now I have taken one potted plant which has a long and narrow leaves, which must have what? Long and
Long and narrow leaf.
narrow leaves.
Narrow leaf.
Narrow leaves. Actually, these concepts they have to keep in lower classes because it is irritating for class 10th. Stupid concepts and all. But anyhow, we have to study. There is no another way because questions will come from mid of this concept. Because case study based questions, they will ask you like what we are asking generally. Why we should remove chlorophyll? Why? What is the how we can come to know the iodine? What is the reaction with starch and this iodine solution? Why we have to wash with the hot water? Like that questions will rise from the mid of that thing. That is what we should know. We don't have any option. That is why. So now if we'll observe here, long and narrow leaves, we have to take it. Why, sir? Is it another leaves are not going to work out? Yes, we can do with any leaf. But why we are taking long and narrow leaf means we have to cover some part of the leaf. So if it is very small in size, but it is very difficult to hold or cover. So that is the reason we are taking a very long leaf to do the experiment very easily. Is it okay, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, understand? So now if we say that here, we take a potted plant which is having a long narrow leaves and place it completely dark place. How many days again? First step, we should place it where? Whatever the experiment, where we should place? A dark place. How many,
Dark place.
how many days?
3 days. 3 days.
Why? What is the reason?
For
avoid photosynthesis.
Destarch
Destarch.
the leaves. Means the starch which is present in the leaves must be utilized by the plant. Understanding means no photosynthesis reaction is carried out. Is it yes or no?
yes, sir.
Any doubt? That is the first step which we should do. Correct, Amma, Pranita, Nitish, Varshine? Yes. After that, remember, we have to take a glass bottle. We have to take a glass bottle. You may notice it. Glass bottle means in the sense of if you go to any kind of pawn shop and all, they used to keep that beda and all in a glass, that sweets and all in a some a glass bowl which is having a rubber cork. Have you noticed it?
Glass
Yes, sir.
jar, sir.
Yeah. So that is. So we have to take a glass bottle. Understand? So the glass bottle which is having a very, very wide mouth and put some potassium hydroxide solution. So I have to take some glass, understand, like this, you can see that. I have to take some glass bottle which is having a very, very wider mouth and I have to keep potassium hydroxide. What is the formula potassium hydroxide? Let me see who will say first. Potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. That is what we want. Understanding. Potassium hydroxide. Potassium
hydroxide, sir.
yeah. Potassium hydroxide. Why we should keep potassium hydroxide? That is what my question. So we have to keep potassium hydroxide inside this glass bottle, which is having a wider mouth. So this is not water. What we are keeping? Potassium hydroxide. So why we should keep the potassium hydroxide? Please, any idea? Anybody you can tell. Sir, why can't I take water? Why I need to take potassium hydroxide? Can I say the reason? If anybody knows, you tell me.
Sir.
You know or don't know?
Don't know, sir.
Then it is completed, correct? Speak.
Sir, it will absorb carbon dioxide, sir.
Very good.
Sir, absorbs carbon
Actually,
dioxide.
Why can't we take water here, Kevin? Why can't we take water? My meeting is going to end fastly. Log in again. Same login. I will just log in and you will log in fast. Why can't we take water? At least question yourself. Arvind Ganapati, Karthikeyan, anybody, Nitinath.